I will be leaving flaxseed gel in my hair for 24 hours straight, and let's see what happens. I have expectation that my hair are gonna end up like this. We're gonna quickly get started with the video.
Oh my god, what is this?
The first step is going to be changing flax seeds into gel, and the process is going to be very simple. So we are going to start the cooking. So first of all, you need to take some water, and here I am taking half a liter of water, and we are going to be putting in seeds. Like I have taken 50 grams of seeds here. They are easily available around, and once you switch on the heat, this is the consistency you're going to get.
And now guys, the gel is right here, it's ready, and now we are gonna wait till it gets cooled down, and in the meantime I'm gonna do something else. I'll see you guys right back.
Now let's talk about the importance of flax seeds for your hair. It is rich in protein, fiber, omega-3 and other micronutrients which helps in improving your hair quality. It also has copper which helps in giving nourishment to the scalp and hair strands. And now I want to talk about my nighttime routine, guys, and it consists of these products, which is by TAC, also called as the Ayurveda company. It is their vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid range, which also has some lip product, which is going to be a lip balm and also a lip scrub. Now first step is going to be cleaning up your face thoroughly, and for this I will be using this vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid forming face wash. It comes with this pump, and there is this brush which helps in thoroughly removing all the impurities from your face. It helps in toning up your skin and really make it plump. The next thing is gonna be I will be scrubbing my lips, because if you don't scrub your lip, they tend to look so worn out and lipstick is gonna not look nice. So it's very important that you use it. It has beetroot powder and cane sugar extracts which helps in thoroughly cleaning up the dead skin cells and make them like really nice. And you must do this step before applying a lip balm or a lipstick for sure. And guys, the best part is these products are free from any kind of parabens, SLS, and they are 100% vegan. Now I'll be applying this lip butter which helps in making your lips plumper and beautiful. The last step is going to be using this serum which is hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and C. It helps in making your skin very dewy. I love the effect it gives, and it gets quickly absorbed in your skin. The packaging is really nice, and this is definitely the favorite product of mine. And guys, please check out these products. I am gonna give their link in the description box below. Now once the flax seeds are cool, we are gonna put it through a sieve. You can take a sieve. Here I'm taking a cloth. Any cloth would work, and once you pour it down there, we are gonna squeeze the gel out, and this is how it looks. It makes a noise which is very ASMR. I will try to put the noise here so you guys know how it sounds. And after that you need to collect this gel, and this is what it looks like. This is the residue, not going to be of any use for us. And after that you need to drench your hair in this. I am going to apply it thoroughly. I have taken it in an applicator. If you don't have an applicator, you can apply it with your hand. It's totally your choice. It doesn't make huge difference. Just make sure that it doesn't fall around. Obviously it is going to mess your t-shirt a little, but it is going to be worth it. And after that I have worn a shower cap, and we are going to wait for 24 hours straight. And in the morning, this is how my hair looked. Yes, I was a little worried about the residue I had in my hair, but I was expecting that it is gonna go away. And after that I have washed it off using lukewarm water, and let's see how it turns out. Now the hair quality was improved, but the huge con is the residue in the hair, and it looks really bad. So I don't know about that, but apart from that, the hair quality has drastically improved. The hair felt so much softer. I must say that this is even better than the aloe gel experiment I did. If you haven't checked that video out, I will give the link right here. But my hair felt like so smooth, so glossy, and how can I forget about the shine? And I'll see you guys super soon.